guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. As always, welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new here, my name is Lily. For this video, I am going to be doing a part 2 to my Pika Pika candy video. On my last video, I have been getting a lot of comments and some of them requested sour candy. So for today's video, we are going to be spicing up some sour candy as well as including some tips that were left on the previous video. I was not expecting that response, and I do appreciate everyone's love and support. I'm so excited for this, so let's get started. I am still following my recipe from part 1, but for today's video, this is a different brand than the brand I used last, but I think this will do. So you will need some chamoy, Tajin. This you don't need, but I do like to add Lucas chamoy, what is this? Lucas gusanito. So I am adding some chamoy gusanito into the mix. I am also adding some Lucas powder. I actually didn't pick up any, and this is what I had left from the last time. So I'm just gonna be doing some with the Lucas mango powder. The last thing you will need for your mix will be white powdered sugar. This is just to make the sauce a little bit thicker. You don't necessarily need it, but I do like mine to be a little bit sweet and thick. And just like the first video, we are gonna need some containers. These are the same containers that I got, except I did grab a couple other options. I am not going to be putting them into containers this time. So the main ingredient in this video will be your candy. I just went ahead and went to the dollar store and grabbed a bunch of candy. It is basically all you will need. I spent maybe like $20, and I think I got a good amount. Let me show you guys what I got. This is my hair tie. Since we are doing sour candy, what I picked up from the dollar store was these sour spaghetti strips. I don't think I got enough of these. I just got one bag. I grabbed a couple of Sour Patch Kids candy. I grabbed the Sour Patch watermelon. I grabbed Airheads Xtreme in sour. I got 2 of those. I also got some Airhead minis, which I'm kind of excited to try these. I also got my favorite Sweetart ropes, which I wonder how they will taste with the chamoy and the Tajin. I also went ahead and grabbed some Skittles. Last time I did the regular, but this time I am doing the wild berry Skittles flavor. And instead of using containers like I did the last time, I am using little Ziploc baggies. I think this will come in handy. And then I have this little whisk that I'm gonna mix everything with. Oh, this smells so good already. Now I'm gonna grab my Lucas gusanito and squirt a little bit of this in there. This stuff is so good. I don't really measure it, I just kinda squirt it in there. Now once you finish mixing all of your mix, throw it in the microwave for 5 to 8 seconds, and then once you take it out, we are gonna mix it into the candy. So I've actually never had these, and I kind of want to try them. They are kind of sour, and they're kind of hard, but they're not bad. They have a strawberry flavor, a blueberry, and a green apple. I think I'm just going to throw them in the container like I did last time. I'm going to throw some of the sauce, and then we're gonna mix it. Now that the candy is in the container, we're gonna throw at least 1 full spoon of the mix. Actually, we're gonna do 2 spoons. We're gonna grab our lid and we're gonna shake the candy. Perfect, look at that. All of the candy is now covered. Now I'm actually gonna grab a different container and I'm gonna throw a lot of Tajin on here. This is gonna be our mix. Last video, I actually added the Tajin into the container and shook it, but a lot of people suggest to just have a lot of powder and then throw the candy in there. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do and kind of roll it around. Wow, this instantly looks so good. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh my god, look how pretty. Alright guys, I have to try just because they look so good and my mouth is literally watering. So that's what you should have. These are the Sour Patch Kids. This is what I got, little bolsitas of dulces. These have Sour Patch and some have the spaghetti already in there. Guys, we are now moving on to the Skittles. These are the wild berry flavor. Last time I did the regular flavor and that was really good. But I did want to try the wild berry. So I'm just using what would be like 2 spoons full. Gonna close the lid and going to shake like the rest of the candy. I'm actually so excited to try the watermelon flavor Sour Patch Kids, so let's get to it. I think I bought 2 bags of these, and low-key I feel like I should have bought a little bit more, but I think these will do. You don't need too much. Once the container starts to get pretty sticky, it kind of evens it out as you go. And there you have it. Look at that, so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Okay, I already set some aside for me to try at the end of the video, so now I'm just gonna package it up into my little bag. We're gonna do the Airheads Xtremes. These are also pretty sour. So here we have the Extreme. We're adding a little bit of the sauce. And we're shaking. and now I have little bolsitas of extreme candy enchilado. I'm so excited, guys. These look so cute, and this is the second set that I have full now. Okay, so these are the Sweetart rope. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do them, but what I think I'm gonna do is throw them kind of in here, add a little bit of the sauce, and also mix it up, and then kind of roll it around the, I don't know. These are gonna be kind of hard to do. Let's try it though. With the same technique, kind of shake it all in there, you know. Oh God, I feel like they're sticking together. Let's see. Oh, well, that worked out. Okay, I don't think I've seen them done before, but let's grab one. Let's grab one rope and let's kind of like roll it around. You guys, these look amazing. Wow. Look at that. And there you go. Oh my God, it's like a little churrito. A chamoy churrito. Could also mix up the Tajin in there. Voila! So cool, right? Oh my God, guys, how good do these look? Oh, I'm so excited to try these. They look delicious. So far, I got Skittles Extremes, the watermelon, and the ropes in this container. So at the end of the video, I'm going to be trying them, and I'm so excited. These look so good, guys. These came out so freaking good. I'm proud. They're for sale. Hit up your friends. Tell them I'm selling PicaPica candy. I'm serious, bud.
Actually?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm just kidding. This is just for fun. I know, I didn't realize that I bought a lot of candy. So
damn, we're set for like the whole month.
Alright guys, so these are the Airheads. They look like dried mangoes. I can't wait to try them. Alright guys, so I saved myself some of the candy aside so I can try it on camera for you guys. I've been trying so hard not to eat any, but yeah. This time, like I mentioned, I did them a little bit different than the first video that I made. Woo! And I also picked a different candy. This was a sour inspired video since comments requested it. So I have Extreme, Sour Patch Kids, Sour Patch Watermelon. I do have some of the ropes as well as Skittles, a berry flavor in the inside. I have to start with the Sour Patch Watermelon because my mouth is literally watering and it looks so good. And these are one of my favorite candies, so I'm gonna try it. Mom, ¿cuáles son los dulces de sandía? ¿De México? ¿De sandía? Que tienen chile. Oh my God. They taste just like a Mexican candy that has like chamoy. Sí, hay un dulce que es de sandía. I have to look it up. Sandía Mexican spicy candy. Oh. They taste exactly like these, you guys. Oh, I can't. I'm gonna insert a picture because it literally reminded me of that Mexican candy. It's so good. Oh my God. También se parece a estas. The next one I'm gonna try is a Skittle. That was very hard. I'm gonna try the Extreme now. Okay. They're originally very sour, and I think that Tajin made them even more sour. So I don't know if I like those, but let's try the ropes. These are my favorite without the Tajin, so I wonder what they taste like with the Tajin. Not bad. Now let's try the Airheads. I don't think I like the Airheads. I forgot how chewy these were. Not Airheads. At least not for me. I'll definitely get my friend's input on these, but alright guys, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So far my favorite was the Sour Patch Watermelon. Definitely recommend you guys try these at home. They are so good. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give my little video a thumbs up. And if you're already subscribed, make sure to turn on that little bell next to my name so you are notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.